Alright, you guys, welcome back to another Project Spot J. For today's project, we are tackling the Sienna sunroof. So if you guys can see, it's kind of busted up. I'll give you guys a better angle. So I don't know how it cracked, but it's been cracked for a while. That's why the duct tape is all peeling and faded. But there's a giant hole in there. We don't know what happened. We just woke up one morning and then the kids came in and they decided to slide this roof back, and then just a whole bunch of shattered glass started falling down. So I did get a replacement piece from eBay for around $300 because I did not have anything local that I was able to source. All the vans I found were the ones that came without the sunroof. So as you guys can see, it's a pretty big giant hole, and then all the glass shattered, so hence why we had to tape the whole area up. All right, first kind of turn your car on, at least get it to where you are able to power up the sunroof and kind of open it up all the way. And then behind these fins right here, you should be able to just kind of gently pull them off to expose the screws that are holding it in. Kind of just gently just slide them off. All right, so the bit that you are going to need is this T25 security bit. And we should be able to knock it out. Let's see. I'm trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. There we go. Very tiny screw, so try not to lose it. Ugh. Here's the next one. Oh. If you're using an impact, just be very careful that you don't want to strip it out. And then I'm gonna repeat the same thing on the other side. All right, so you actually have 3. So this little fin thing, you just have to get your hand underneath and kind of just pry it this way. And then I think there's a little lip right here that it sits on. And then you should be able to grab it off. But there's actually 3 screws holding it in, if you guys can see. This one right there. It's way back there. And then same thing with over here. There's another one hiding right over here. So yeah, you're 2 over here and then 1 right there. All right, with the glass out of the way now, as you can see, I still got some broken glasses on there, so I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum that up. And then next, we are gonna compare the broken one with the brand new one. Make sure it's the same size, make sure everything fits before we put everything back together again. All right, next, I just want to compare, make sure it's the same shape, make sure all the mounting holes are the same. So it does look like it's gonna fit. Just gotta turn it around, make sure all the brackets and mounting holes are the same. And to me, at first glance, it looked like it's gonna work. I think we're good. All right, let's go reinstall this baby back in. All right, so as you can see, I just kind of loosen the screw and then just kind of let the glass itself fall into place. Well, I already clipped the side back on, but as you can see, it kind of, because there's playroom in this, so you could kind of slide it up and down and then tighten your screw where you want it. I just went ahead and just drop it all the way down and then tighten it down. So that way I didn't have to do much guesswork. But yeah, now we just have to pull this back in and then I'll just open and close it and see if it seals correctly. Let's try it out. Turn on the engine. And let's see if it works. All right, that's sealed. Crawl back out. See how it looks. So it looks like I need to raise the back up. As you can see, there's lip. So let's try moving the glass all the way up this time and see if that completely helps seals this. Oh. Almost the little playroom I have. I'm just gonna move this up and then tighten it down like that. Play with the window and see how that's. All right, now I kind of got it moved up. Let's see how it looks. Closing it, going back on the outside. Oh yeah, much better. The back seals. Look like the front is sitting up a little bit, but I think this is fine. But as you can see, the back here is flush now, so we're good. I might just drop this lower front one just a tad bit, but the back one is perfect. So at least I know where the back one is to adjust. All right, so I kind of got it dialed in to where I like it. You might have to play around with it, but it is done. Right now it's open. Let me close it up. Take you to the outside. And as y'all can see, it's pretty flush. The front has a little bit of lip, but I wanted it like that just to kind of raise the gasket up so it kind of seals out from the weather itself. But you guys can see it's done. It works. Let me open it up all the way. Operate smooth. All right. So this is a it's supposed to be a quick video. It wasn't a quick video, but for an install, this is pretty good. So all right, you guys, so just stay tuned. There'll be more projects coming soon. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until the next video, you guys, take care.